my name is Fahira Alivia Putri with name 2510411127 from class D, and today I'm gonna answer for a question about Indonesian culture. The first question is, when do Indonesians typically wear traditional clothing? First of all, one of the traditional clothes in Indonesia is kabaya. Women wear kabaya on a special occasion like wedding, cultural ceremonies, Independence Day, or national events. You'll also see it during Kartini Day when Indonesians honor the spirit of women's empowerment. And in many regions, kabaya is worn during the traditional dance, family gathering, and important community festival. For Indonesian, kabaya isn't worn every day, but when it is, it carries pride and history. The second question is, why do you think foreigners find this cultural and culinary is interesting? I think every part of our country feels like a living museum of culture and flavor. As the tourists explore its island, they discover traditions that are still practiced, like rituals, dance, craft, and ceremonies. At the same time, Indonesia culinary become its own journey. Like the bold spices and the rich aroma offer experience they cannot find anywhere else, from the street food to the traditional meals. In Indonesia, culture and culinary heritage are not simply displayed, they are lived every day. That is why tourists feel deeply connected and endlessly curious, eager to explore more. That's why I think the foreigners will find our cultural and culinary is interesting. The third question is, what is your favorite Indonesian tradition? My favorite Indonesian tradition is Idul Fitri. As the month of Ramadan ends, families from big cities travel back to their hometowns in a tradition called mudik. Homes filled with laughter and the aroma of ketupat and opor ayam. On the morning of Eid, people dress in their best clothes and gather in open fields or mosque for a special prayers that marks the beginning of a new chapter. Afterward, they visit relatives and neighbors, offering apologies and forgiveness. And this is why Idul Fitri become my favorite, because children will receive small gifts and envelopes of money while the adults share stories. And the last question is, can you describe a traditional celebration? I will describe about Nyepi. Nyepi, also known as the Day of Silence, is a sacred Hindu celebration in Bali where the entire island becomes completely quiet for a full day. Before Nyepi, people parade large scary-looking statues called ogoh-ogoh as a symbol of driving away negative spirits. When Nyepi begins, everyone follows four main rules. The first one is no lights, then no works, no traveling, and no entertainment. Even the airport closed. The street become empty and all activities stop. This day of silence is meant for self-reflection. Through this stillness, Nyepi teach the importance of pausing, looking inward, and finding peace. And I think that's enough from me. Thank you.